Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie from T-sportline, and yes, we're out of the shop again today because we want to share with you once again, and we just cannot stop wrapping Cybertrucks. Check out another new color that we've never done before, and I'm actually really proud to share with you. 3M High Gloss Series Flip Deep Space. This thing is incredible. I mean, as you walk around the truck, take a look at, first of all, how metallic it is in the sun, and then the colors. You've got this deep blues, you've got some teals, I see purples, I see a little bit of pink sparkle. I almost see like some browns and burgundies as I check out this panel right here. And because of all the angles on the Cybertruck, all the different body lines, when you install a color change or a flip style wrap, every panel in the sun picks up its own unique color, which makes it even more wild than if this was just on a regular Tesla. Really special, this color. I can't get enough of it. I see some greens, like I mentioned earlier, some teals, baby blue, really nice. Very, very nice color wrap. Definitely special, definitely a first for us, and probably the first Cybertruck to ever get wrapped in this color. So we went ahead and we wrapped it, as you can see. That's a very popular trend right now. We installed our brand new 24-inch CT10 wheel. So this wheel is a fully forged monoblock, full face style wheel, very similar to the CTMs, which are my favorites, but it actually has 10 unique cutout windows, hence CTM. Floating center cap assembly cleans up the look always, and definitely 24s are my favorite. I think that's what every Cybertruck should have. So new wheels, new wrap, got some window tint on there to keep the interior cool on those hot days. And then check this out. The Foundation Series badges have been reapplied like we usually do, but this time they're embossed. They're right underneath the wrap for that embossed look. I like that. I actually prefer it embossed instead of on top. Super cool. Front two locations, rear tailgate gets the proper badging. So Cybertruck fans, what do you guys think? I'd love to hear some comments below about this very unique colorway. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it too much? Or is it not enough? Because take a look at some of the earlier videos we did with the Spectrum limited edition wrap from Nuys, which is even more wild than this. Either way, you got to wrap your truck, and this one's all done. It's going to the customer later this afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.